So now, let's see the parts of the light microscope and their functions. So here we have eyepiece or ocular lens. This is a lens at the top of the microscope that you look through. It typically provides 10 times magnification. Also, it is a primary function is to further magnify the image produced by the objective lens. Again, we have ball tube. The ball tube connects the eyepiece to the objective lens and allow the right path to remain aligned. Another one is base. The base of the microscope provides stability and support for the entire instrument. Also here we have arm. The arm supports the upper part of the microscope, including the eyepiece and the objective lenses. Again, we have a fine adjustment knob. The fine adjustment knob provides precise focusing, allowing you to bring the specimen into sharp focus. Also, we have coarse adjustment knob. This knob allows you to move the stage up and down in large increments to bring the specimen into route focus. Again, we have diaphragm or iris diaphragm. The diaphragm is located beneath the stage and controls the amount of the light that passes through the specimen. Also, it can be adjusted to control the contrast and brightness of the image. Also, we have illuminator. This is the light cause located at the base of the microscope. It emits the light passes through the condenser lens and the specimen. Again, here we have condenser lens. Condenser lens located beneath the stage. The condenser lens focuses and concentrates light into the specimen to ensure even illumination. Again, we have stage clips. These are used to secure the specimen's light in place on the stage. Another one is a stage. The stage is a flat platform where the specimen is placed for observation. It often has a chemical stage control for the precise movement of the specimen horizontally and vertically. Again, we have objective lenses. These are the lenses located just above the specimen. A light microscope typically has multiple objective lenses with varying magnifications. For instance, 4 times, 10 times, 40 times, and 100 times. Above all, the function of the objective lenses is to capture the primary image of the specimen at the different levels of the magnification. So what is magnification? Magnification is symbolized by the number and abbreviation X. For example, 10x magnifies an object by 10 times. Also, an object is magnified by multiplying the eyepiece lens magnification and objective lens magnification. For instance, here we have magnification is equal to eyepiece lens, which is 10 times objective lens, which is 20. So the magnification will be 200 times. As we see here, we have a table of magnification. Clearly, now let's see on how to use a microscope. So when we want to use a microscope, there's a steps which you should be followed. Number 1, turn on your microscope light. Number 2, turn the nose piece so that the small auroral power power objective lens click into press. Always start with the low power lens in press. Number 3. Press the prepared slide on the center of the stage under the clips so that the object is in the center of the opening. And make sure the cover clip is on top. Number 4. With your eye at the stage level, use the coarse adjustment to bring the object and the lower power objective lens as near to each other as possible. The objective lens should not touch the cover slip. Number 5. Now with your eye to the eyepiece, slowly move the coarse adjustment to increase the distance between the objective and the lens. Also continue this until the image is focused. Number 6. Adjust the diagram so that the objective can be seen as clearly as possible. Number 7. To observe the objective under the medium and high powers, rotate the revolving nose piece to bring the next highest objective lens into position. Make sure you hear the click to ensure that the objective lens is in press. Then focus using the fine adjustment only. And now let's see the ways of handling and carrying a right microscope. Procedure A. Use both hands to carry the microscope. One hand should hold the base and other hand should hold the arm. B. Always press the microscope on the desk or table carefully and gently, and never press it at the edge of the bench. C. Keep the microscope in upright position when using liquids or when not in use. D. Keep the stage clean and dry. If any liquids are spread on the microscope, wipe them up immediately with a piece of tissue. E. Focus with a low power objective lens first. F. Focus by moving the lens away from the slide. That is, by increasing the walking distance. G. Consult your teacher if the lenses are dead. 8. Consult your teacher if the adjustments do not work freely. H. When your work is completed, move the low power objective lens into press and move your slide. Last but not least, keep your microscope covered when it is in use and keep your work area clean and tidy.